So alright, today I'm doing my water filters to purify my water. By the way, my house, I have all the water filters. I'll show you in the video what I have, but this is for my making this just in case they shut down the water and everything. An easy way to me to purify my water, and it's for my comic books because I'm gonna be pressing them on my machine over here. Alright, so it's to remove the fluoride and all those metals. Alright, so I won't damage my books when I press my comic books. So I got these. And these, alright. I got 2 jugs of these. I already cut this one. The first jug, you want to cut it to here. You see there's 2 lines. I'm not sure which ones you're going to get. You can do it even with water buckets, alright? But you want to cut the first one to here, then the next one to here. You see, I used the other one, I cut it to the second line. Then you want to cut this one in the middle right here, alright? So that's the first thing. That's the second thing we want to do. So let's cut that. Okay, so we want to make a little incision. You want to go right here. Did that, you want to grab your scissors and put it in there. Let's cut around it, straight line. Try to do as straight as you can. So let's cut it right there. the lid right there. Just put this poly. It's supposed to be like that in the middle. There we go. I forgot the lid. I lost it. So I have to get another lid for it. This will fit in there. This one will fit in there perfectly, real tight. So now, step 3, we have to rinse these off. Okay, so let's do that right now. So part 5, or whatever part it is, you want to rinse, you want to take these babies off. Right there. You want to run water through it so you can get the dust and particles out of it, alright? You see all that dust that came out of it? All that sand and everything is in there. You want to use this. Press through here. Press. It's gonna fill up. Alright. See, it's coming out now. So you wait until it gets clear. Probably turn it a little bit hard. There you go. You want to run this slow, poly. So. For a couple of seconds. So let's count to like 30. 1, 2 on your head. Oops, that got me in my face. Alright, so now you want to do the other side. Do the same thing. There we go, that's that one. I'll do the same thing with the other one. Take the lid off. Stuff in there. Sand and everything. Alright. This. Press in there. You have to wait until it fills up. You'll see the water coming through here. Okay, you found it, just put it in the counter. I'll start cooking the pancakes when I'm done. I'm cleaning my filters now. See the water's coming out, now you count to 30. 1, 2. Wait until it gets clear. Sometimes you will see a cloudiness. Wait until it gets clear. Okay, that's done. Now do the other side. There you go, that's done. Now you want to do these big ones, same thing. Put that baby there. It's filling up. get the idea. That's my flush toilet. Do the same thing with this one. There we go. Count to 30. The longer you do it, the better. Just to give you an idea, because my wife wants me to cook her some pancakes. So. All right. There we go. That's that one. I have to replace these because they messed up in there. When I brought it was factory damaged, so I have to get into the new parts to come in. So I got another shut off valve over here, or I can shut it off. So okay, so now we're gonna put this baby in. We're gonna put it in the middle of that seam, right in there, right around there. That's where I'm gonna put it at. So you wanna get this one here to be a perfect fit, you see? You want to get your drill right there. Close it up. I've seen videos like this, but they don't show you the whole process. And that makes me angry. You have to figure out all the other stuff. So like this, you can figure it out, you see? It will help you more. And then you go like that. Oops, let me put this down more. There we go, you can see it. So I'm gonna go somewhere in there. Around there. Right there's another hole. Once you're done, then you rinse everything off. Alright. So I got that one in there. Let's see if it will work. Move that. Move your O-ring out of the way. So it's too small. I'm not going yet. Because you have to mess around with it. Hopefully that goes now. It's just too small. Let me see if I can have a bigger one in here. Let's see if that one is big. Oh, that one would have worked, but it didn't work. Make it bigger. Now make sure it gets in there. Nothing yet. That should be it. Let's see if that will work. First thing first, you have to put that O-ring in. So you don't have to do it, take it out and put it back in. Then it goes in. goes there. Scrape it in there. There you go. It's kind of stuck in here. Get the O-ring down. That's my thing. The O-ring in there. Take it out a little. Try to get the O-ring in place. There you go, the O-ring's in place. You want to make sure the O-ring is good, because if not, then the water's gonna leak. Right? You just put it in like that. There you go. There's the O-ring. See? There you go. Perfecto. Then you want to put this baby back in, just like that. And this side. Go. And this one goes in there. That's gonna make it real nice and snug. Remember, always get the correct one. You don't wanna put that one into this one. All right, because this is the one where this one goes in. All right. I mean, not this. This the lid for this one. And I'll use this lid for this one. All right. So always keep in mind you get the right jug. Okay, you can see the difference. All right. I'll make sure this is the one where you put the water in. This one right here. So now we got that one there. We're good and tight. Untying it. Now you want to do the drill for this one. And you want to get one that will match this one. So I will say this one. If it's right there, you have to figure out where you want it. So let's say it's gonna go like this. And there. And we're gonna want him. Let's put one here and one over here. Because you know this baby. This one. Okay, I am recording. I wasn't sure if I was recording or not. Okay, there you go. There you go. I usually eyeball everything. So I will say one right there. Oops. So you don't want a towel underneath it. There you go. That one and the other one. I guess this is why they don't show you these parts in the videos, because they fuck up a lot. So okay, so this one will go in there. Okay, this one goes in the inside. And you want the other one around there. Okay. So I want the other one around there. So I want the other one. Okay, about an inch over there. right there. Learn from my first mistake not to do it again. That done. I'm gonna make sure this fits in. Add a pound lemon. Oh, small more, so I have to make the hole a little bit bigger. So let's remove this one and just use the next size up. Okay, open up. There we go. And we want to use this one, I guess. That'd be perfect. This one right here. Put that one. That's 3/8. 3/8. And this baby out. Round 2. Holes in the bottom. Now, you want to make sure to fit in there perfectly and remove all that plastic out. This goes on the inside, remember that. Still too short. So I guess I'm gonna have to go with a 5/16. That one. Still that I went through. Okay. That's the O-ring there. So now let's see. It goes on the inside. You went through good. Perfecto. Right there like that. So now before you get that tight, you want to clean your containers. So I'm gonna go and clean those right now. Alright, so now I'll rinse them off real good. You don't see no more plastic, plus I took the old towel because it has all that plastic, and I got a new towel, alright, on the floor. There you go. Rinsed it all off, real good. No more plastic in there. No more plastic. Alright, my battery is died out, so let's get explaining how you do this again. So I'm not sure where I left out, but it's gonna be cut off because, well, it's been cut off a couple of times. So we're gonna explain how to install these the proper way. So you wanna put this in here. It goes inside the jug, alright? I thought it was recording. Okay, then you wanna put these black things on here. Tight. So the O-ring, okay? For the O-ring. Go like that. Away. Okay, you got 1, 2. So the water goes through. Okay, it's good. I have to get it. Well, I guess it's hand tight. put this one through here. With the black one, do the same thing. Put it in there like that. Like that, you know you won't get no water leakage, no nothing. There we go. I will say hand tight. Okay. Then in the instruction it says 7 full rotations. Yeah, there's no dirt in there. And it has to be pointing out. You see the water will be in there and it's gonna go down. So you wanna make sure you don't put it like this. You wanna put it like this because the water will be flowing, okay? Then you wanna go 7 times. You see this? You wanna see it 7 times. It says 8 times actually. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, right there. It's tight. 8. It got tight. And do it again. Okay, though. Remember, you see how I put the arrow down? That's the wrong way. You want to go up. Right? So you see the thing. So you see it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it wasn't going in. So okay. You have to make sure it's in. Because it's in. So now you want to go count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, this one went in for 7. I'm gonna try to go for 8. It's tight. It's tight enough in there. All right. There you go. 8. Okay. Fill it up and the flow goes down. So now we have to fill this up. So I already did the water treatment and everything. So now I'm gonna show you how it all looks when it's done. All right. So until then, to the next part. So here's one of my water purifiers. I have to replace this every 6 months. Depends how much I use it. So let me show you my other ones upstairs. Here's my other one. That one there, and those in there. Let me see if I can use my flashlight. There we go. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm gonna use my refrigerator one. So we got another one up in there. So now I'm gonna fill everything up through this water and fill my bucket up. Okay, so there's my water purifier. All nice and dandy, working properly. Keep an eye on this to make sure the water is leaking through there when it gets full. But you can see it's working. Remember, you have to do it twice. When this gets all full, you have to take it apart and all the water in there, put it back up on top. So now I have to find the lid for that. It's in the garage somewhere. There you go. All right. So that's how you do it. It's always good to have, just in case of emergencies. You can purify the rainwater. I would say if you're gonna do the rainwater outside, whatever, do it 3 times, or river water or whatever. Then do it 2 times. Boil the water. I would say probably, well, just read up on it. If it's better to run it 2 times, then boil the water and then do it again, so you don't get none of those parasites inside your body. So, but remember, you have an immune system. Your immune system will get used to it eventually. Like the lions in the wild, you see how they drink that dirty water because their immune system is real strong. You have to build up your immune system. And that's it. That's why when you listen to the fake world government, they want you cleaning, always being like that, because the more you clean, the lower your immune system. The more you out in the wild, the stronger your immune system, the more you build it up. You must understand that. You must study that. Remember, we have a fake world government, a fake world religion, fake education system. And there we go. Bye-bye. Remember, this is from my comic books. I'm going to be pressing my comic books in my machine over here. There's my machine, my presser. Let me show you guys. My pressing machine. There we go. That's my presser for my comic books. So I'm gonna start learning how to do that. So that's it. I got all the tools, everything I need for that. All right. Bye-bye. So, okay, I messed up. So, I got O-ring because it started leaking. I didn't wait all night. I just wanted to see if it would leak. So, that's a good experiment to do it before you do anything. So, I would say put an O-ring in the outside. Well, that one. I got some here. So, I'm going to look for the best O-ring. I would say one like this here. In the outside, then one in the inside. Let's put this one in the outside, right here. Now let's get a tighter one. I like that one. Let's get that one here. Now the teeth got all fucked up there. So I would say get a new one of these. And let's use this one here. Put the O-ring in here. One on the outside and one on the inside. Yeah, this one is better. This one has like a little square shape. So you want to go in here. There we go. Put that in here. You got the O-ring on the inside, just in case. Then you want to use this. One. See, you want to go like that. Then you want to test it. Make sure you don't have a leak because you don't want water everywhere, you know what I mean? Make it right there. There we go. Not that tight, not that. There we go. I think that's good right there. Now you want to test it. So I'm going to do that next, then I'll show you the final result. So here we go. This is how you test, okay? So you make sure that's not leaking. So I use this one, it leaked with this one because of the bottom, you see? The little square thing. So I put one of these. It's different. Let me show you guys. You see? The bottom. I put an O-ring here, then an O-ring in the inside. I put one O-ring here, one O-ring over there. Let me see if I find an O-ring around here somewhere. Okay, one of these O-rings. See? I put one in the outside, one in the inside, and the leak stop. So I don't recommend this one here because of that there. Alright, you need a flat one. You see how it's all flat. Let me take this one off. So don't get one of these. Get one of these that's flat. You see? And put a raw ring in the outside and the inside. Then when this empties all out and it goes into here, okay? you wanna get a trash can or something, all right? For example, I got this for that one, but I got the wrong side. I need to get a better round one because, you know, this can fall down or whatever. You know what I mean? When you're doing the switch, all right? For example, whenever this gets full, whenever that gets full right there, you need to do it twice. So you fill this up like this. Fill it up. So you need a good round container that can hold it, okay, for you, because of the bottom, right? Then you want to switch it back to over here. All right, you want to put this back on top of here and do it a second time. So that's it. Let's keep moving on. Just here we go. All done. Now remember, keep up. I replaced that one because the blue one didn't work. It was leaking. So I put the red one. Plus I showed you in the video already how you change it when you have to go over, all right? But it's working good. And there you go. And that's it. So now you understand how to do this. Get a lid for the top of there. I have to look for it in the garage, the lid for that. That's all nice or good. Hopefully this helped you the whole process. All right. So see you on my next video.